on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be unboxing another appliance from the Drew Barrymore Beautiful collection. Here I have the 10-cup food processor with accessories. The color that I have is white icing. It has a 10-cup capacity with extra wide feed tube. You choose your speed, low, high, and pulse options. It's powerful performance, 500 watt motor. It says it's effortlessly chops, shreds, slices, purees, and more. Accessories included is a multi-purpose stainless steel S-blade, emulsifying disc, reversible slicing, shredding disc, and food pusher. You can measure directly in bowl. Bowl includes easy to read measurement markings, 2-speed control dial knob with low, high, and pulse functions, and then your accessories can be stored inside bowl when not in use. It also says extra wide chute. It makes adding ingredients easy. Your 10-cup work bowl. Easy twist and lock system prevents spills and splatters. Large comfort grip handle for ease of handling. You also have, of course, your variable speed dial. And non-skid feet. It adds stability while in use. Additional features. The accessories store in the bowl for neat, compact storage. It's dishwasher safe bowl, lid, blades, and food pusher. Includes food pusher for ease of feeding ingredients into the chute. Of course, the powerful 500 watt motor and your removable blade system includes multi-purpose stainless steel blade, emulsifying disc, and reversible slicing shredding disc. Now it's time to unbox it. Okay, so this is everything that's come inside the box. We have our card to register our product. We have a quick start guide. You have your instruction manual. This is the base of the food processor. You have your 10-cup bowl, our interlocking lid, our food cup pusher, our drive shaft. You have a reversible slicing and shredding disc. You have your emulsifying disc. And you also have your stainless steel blade. Okay guys, on the base I wanted to show you that it has the suction cups on the bottom, so it'll be stable when you're using it, and you can also wrap your cord underneath when you put it away. Also, as you can see, the B is trimmed in gold and around your knob. So here you have 0, then is 1 and 2, and then you will go back, and this is to pulse it. For your 10-cup bowl, as you can see, you have the measurements on the front, and it interlocks onto the base, and also the handle is trimmed in gold. On the inside, you will put your drive shaft onto it. After you put your drive shaft on, you can go ahead and put your stainless steel blade. You can put your emulsifying disc. Lastly, I put on top the stainless steel reversible slicing shredding disc. And this is how you just put all your parts in when you want to store it. Now the lid is easy. You just turn it right there and it interlocks into the handle. And lastly, you have your food cup pusher, and you just add it onto the top. Okay guys, I just removed all the parts from the inside. I want to show you how quiet this is compared to other food processors. So it's on 0. So this is 1. is this pulse. Okay guys, so I'm going to give you a review on how good this food processor is in my next video. And it's going to be how to make a McChicken sandwich at home. So please stay tuned. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?